Hello, my name is Mathieu Liénard and welcome to part 2 of the episode on using AWS Rekognition service to do face recognition on a live video conference hosted on a Pexip Infinity server. After the demo in the previous episode, in this episode I will present the behind the scenes, the technical details of how I achieved this demo. So let's get straight into it. For this demo, I have my Pexip Infinity servers hosted on EC2 instances on the AWS cloud. Although that might sound trivial, especially as AWS has a streaming service called MediaLive, the main difficulty with this demo was to be able to send the video conference, video stream from the Pexip Infinity server to the Amazon Kinesis video stream, which I will further refer to as KVS. To start with, KVS does not work with AWS own streaming service, MediaLive. I find this unbelievable, but I'm not in charge of AWS strategy. To push media into KVS, you have to embed the provided SDK into your application, which I obviously can do with the Pexip Infinity server. In such a case, you have to use the GStreamer application and use the KVS plugin to output the video into KVS. So first of all, I need to install that on a server. The other problem is that the KVS plugin for GStreamer can only pull RTSP content, and my Pexip server can only push content in RTMP. So I need an additional bridge between the two. For that, I am using a CRTMP server. So the additional EC2 instance is hosting both the CRTMP server and GStreamer applications. So that's it for the description of this Rube Goldberg machine I had to use to plug Pexip Infinity to KVS. So let's go back to the details of the demo. First, I am uploading the pictures into my S3 bucket containing all the pictures of all the known persons. As soon as I upload a picture, it triggers a Lambda function which adds it together with the person's name to the collection of known persons. Participants then connect to the video conference. In my demo, the face recognition is triggered by starting my Alexa skill using Amazon Echo. This triggers a Lambda function I coded to perform the face recognition. This Lambda function will do several things. First, it uses the Pexip API to instruct the conferencing server to stream the video using RTMP to the CRTMP server hosted on the additional EC2 instance. Then it launches the GStreamer application, instructing it to pull the video using RTSP from the CRTMP server on the same machine. So essentially, I have the media going out of the CRTMP server application back into the same EC2 instance in the GStreamer application. The GStreamer application is set to use KVS plugin to send the video out to KVS. Back to the Lambda function, as the media is finally being streamed from the Pexip Infinity server to Kinesis video stream, it then launches the recognition processor, which will perform the face recognition. This processor is set with the catalog as a parameter and the KVS as an input. It outputs its finding to a Kinesis data stream. As the processor finds and identifies faces, it will send JSON data to this data stream. The Lambda function reads this stream of JSON data, and as it finds results in it, it formats the output speech to the Alexa skill, which is read to the participant by the Amazon Echo device. As participants have been found, the Lambda function stops and deletes the recognition processor, stops the GStreamer application, and use the APIs to instruct the Pexip Infinity server to stop streaming to the CRTMP server. And this finishes the entire process of doing face recognition into a video conference hosted on Pexip Infinity using AWS Rekognition and Kinesis video stream. So I hope you enjoyed these behind the scenes and that it was informative. Thank you for watching and see you next time for the next demo.